Hi everyone and welcome back to AfroPenguin drum lesson number 3. In this lesson, we're going to implement the same rhythm onto the drum kit. The same thing that we played on our human body will be played on our drum kit. If you remember, we used our right hand as the hi-hat, the left hand as the snare drum, and we used our right foot as the bass drum foot pedal. Just like that. So what did we play before? We played our right hand on all the 4 numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4. The right foot or the bass drum on numbers 1 and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the left hand or the snare drum on numbers 2 and 4 as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how do we play this on the drum kit? Well, mostly if you notice, the hi-hat will be left open. For shutting it, I want you to press the hi-hat foot pedal and leave it closed by giving it a little pressure at all the time for now. And let's try that all the 4 numbers on hi-hat or our right hand rhythm on the hi-hat. It would sound as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What if we add the bass drum along with it? It will go as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what if the snare drum comes in? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's how it sounds together. But what if we play just the snare drum and the bass drum together? It will sound such as 1, so let me give you a count in of 1 bar, then you play the hi-hat for 2 bars or 2 measures, then we add and play the bass drum along with the hi-hat for 2 more measures, then we add the snare drum and play all of them for 4 measures. Can you do it? Let's try. So the counting comes in. It's 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, bass drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, snare drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that was the rhythm that we learned yesterday on the drum kit. The same thing, the same rhythm or the same pattern can be used in different parts of the drums, such as if you use the hi-hat rhythm or the hi-hat pattern on the right cymbal, it would sound as 1. So if you notice, everything can sound different in different ways. What if I add the crash on just the first beat? It would sound as again. So, after learning the rhythm, after getting it just perfect with the hi-hat, snare and bass, it is your job to figure out how it would sound on different parts of drum. Experiment with it, relax and enjoy the drum kit. Hope you all had fun watching this lesson and hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.